Hello, little helpers. Welcome back to Kids Cartoon Bonanza. Are you ready to help out in the kitchen? Today, we are going to learn the names of the tools we use to cook and eat. From spoons to pans, we will learn them all. Remember, when I say the word, you say it back to me. Let's start with the things we use at the table. Spoon, spoon. Fork, fork. Knife, knife. Plate, plate. Bowl, bowl. Napkin, napkin. Great start. Now let's look at what we use to drink. Cup, cup. Glass, glass. Mug, mug. Straw, straw. Pitcher, pitcher. Teapot, teapot. You are doing wonderful. Now let's go to the stove and see what we use to cook. Frying pan, frying pan. Pot, pot. Lid, lid. Oven mitt, oven mitt. Apron, apron. Excellent. Now let's learn the names of special kitchen tools. Spatula, spatula. Ladle, ladle. Whisk, whisk. Rolling pin, rolling pin. Cutting board, cutting board. Grater, grater. We are almost done. Here are a few more useful tools. Peeler, peeler. Tongs, tongs. Tray, tray. Can opener, can opener. Bottle, bottle. Jar, jar. Chopsticks, chopsticks. Fantastic work today. You are now a kitchen expert. Next time you help set the table for dinner, try to name all the utensils you see. Don't forget to subscribe to Kids Cartoon Bonanza for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Goodbye.